Hey, you can also say the quality is mediocre.
They were praised for their work.
You can also say that they were lauded for their work.
So I got a severe stomach pain. So I have decided to stop eating fast food.
You can also say that I have decided to abstain from eating fast food.
Hey, the view is very beautiful.
Yes.
Yes, but we can also say the view is picturesque.
Hey, you're doing a wonderful job. What's your aim?
I want to become a scientist in AI domain.
Hey, you can also say that I aspire to become a scientist.
Let's recall.
Basic words to
Advanced words.
to stop,
To upstream.
praised,
Lauded.
want to,
Aspire to.
average,
Mediocre.
beautiful.
Picturesque.
Thank you.